Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gainbridge Fieldhouse is absolutely rocking today, and the energy reached a whole new level before the game even tipped off. Caitlin Clark just sent the home crowd into a complete frenzy during warm-ups by sinking an absolute moonshot from the logo. If you thought the arena was loud for that, you won't believe the deafening roar when the team officially made their entrance. Before we jump into the video, just a quick note. If you're interested in the product I mentioned, the link is in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, and it helps support the channel. Thanks a lot. Caitlin won today's warm-up contest in spectacular fashion, draining an insane half-court shot that had her teammates mobbing her on the floor. That hype carried right into the game, where the legendary home crowd sound was on full display. During a timeout, the famous Fever dance cam completely stole the show. A few fans brought out some truly hilarious and insane dance moves, earning themselves an unexpected star-studded swag bag surprise.
Feet on the pitch, hearts aligned, chasing dreams, one goal in mind. Through every challenge, through every fight, we stand together, shining bright. Spirits strong, hearts in peace. Welcome dreams that never cease. Raise the flag, feel the fire. One world united, reaching higher. Under the sun, across the lands, every nation joins.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more great content. See you in the next one.